It pleases me to sing and make graceful songs, since the breeze is sweet and the weather gay. And through orchards and through hedgerows I hear the warbling and the chattering that the little birds make amid the green and the white and the variegated. Then he should draw himself who wishes love to help him toward the conduct of a lover. I am not a lover, but I court, and I do not fear pain or burden. Nor do I grow angry easily or grieve, nor do I take fright through pride. Yet fearfulness makes me mute, for to the fair one of good disposition I dare not show or reveal my heart, which I keep hidden from her since I first knew her worth. Without beseeching and without granting, I have entered into heavy torment. How I might seem true if I unfold her great worth. For never yet did any lady have worth who was ever born of mother that could avail much against hers. And I know many a one held dear whom hers has vanquished as better. She well wishes one to adorn her nobly, and company and joy please her. And a base man does not please her, who goes out of his way or acts foolishly. But the worthy are well received, to whom she shows so fair an appearance, that each one becomes her praiser when they have moved from before her, more than if they had sold themselves to her. I never believed that with her equals the beauty of any other lady ever again. For rosebush flower, when it is born, is not fresher than she. A body well made and nobly formed, a mouth and eyes that light the world. For beauty never knew how to do more there, though she put all her power into it, so that nothing remained to her from it. May my lady never grow angry with me if I hasten to her mercy, for I have no heart that brings me low or turns me astray toward base love. For I have always desired the best outside and within my dwelling, and of her I am no boaster, for I have understood no more from it, but that she welcomes me nobly and greets me. Little psalm, go speak for me to the King, whom joy guides in clothes and feet. For in him there is nothing crooked, for I see him just as I wish, provided he recover Montagut and Carcasot in the dwelling. Then he will be emperor of worth, and Frenchman here, and Masnot there will fear his shield. Lady, you have always availed me so much that through you I am a singer, and I did not think to make a song until I had rendered the fief to you of Miraval.